Today we're recapping the market flows from Friday, September 12, 2025, starting with SPY. The dark pool data showed strong activity clustered around the 657 to 658 levels, with nearly $2 billion stacked at 657.44 and another $1.8 billion at 657.45. These back-to-back levels are heavy resistance zones to watch. On the option side, the call interest lined up around the 660 strikes, while puts concentrated just below at 655 and 654. The put-to-call ratio closed at 0.79, giving us a bearish lean for SPY going into next week. Moving to QQQ, the tech-heavy index, dark pool flows centered between 575 and 586. The biggest prints landed at 580.57 and 575.44, with premiums of over $500 million each. On the options tape, calls were positioned higher around the 590 strikes, while puts were stacked more aggressively at 584 and 583. The put-to-call ratio also came in at 0.79, showing continued hedging pressure across tech. Looking at IWM, the Russell Small Caps, the most eye-catching level was a massive $1.4 billion wall at 238.34. This is the standout dark pool level that traders should have on their radar. Options flow lean to the downside as well, with puts dominating near-term expiries. The call-to-put ratio was just 0.48, giving IWM the heaviest bearish lean of the three major indices today. Finally, let's check in on our daily feature, unusual small and mid-cap buys. Three names popped up on the radar. First is Orla Mining, ticker ORLA, in the materials sector. It saw $6.4 million in premium and traded nearly 5 times its average daily volume, signaling unusual accumulation in this small-cap gold play. Second is the Brazil ETF, ticker EWZ, which attracted $55 million in premium and volume, also 5 times normal. That's a significant push into emerging markets exposure. And third is Cooper Companies, ticker COO, a healthcare name that logged nearly $30 million in premium on volume 5 times average. This kind of size suggests targeted institutional buying. So to wrap up, all three indexes lean bearish with puts outweighing calls, but under the surface, selective buying in small and mid caps continues to pop up, showing where smart money may be rotating.